Victims of domestic violence can find refuge here, at this local association in the small town of Shishawa. Every week, around 30 women of all ages come for help. Around 90 legal cases involving them are ongoing, from divorce to underage marriage or expulsion from the family home. Most are afraid to talk about their experiences. Zakia, a 30-year-old mother of two, says she's not only a victim of economic violence, but also of marital rape.
Although it is my intention to report it, I don't dare say that I'm a victim of sexual violence. Because when you tell that to the judge, the police or the authorities, they tell you, how can you be a victim of sexual violence if you are his wife? They tell you that you are his, that you belong to him, that he can make you do what he wants as he wants. And for me, this is not what intimacy should be like. It's left me with psychological wounds, and it has offended my dignity as a woman.
Women are provided a safe space here to talk and find strength in sharing their stories with each other. A new law in Morocco has criminalised sexual harassment. It's an important step, even if some associations blame public authorities for a lack of communication and unwillingness to apply the law.
I think that this law will require the involvement of all parties in order to push women to file their complaint and defend their own rights.
To deal with these issues, lawyers now have new tools to use.
From now on, in terms of evidence, it can come from social networks, it can be photos, videos, text messages. We now have the freedom to bring evidence which didn't exist before.
Evidence that can protect victims.
Our goal is not to penalize, it's not to punish. The goal in itself is to protect women, to respect women's rights, to respect human rights in general.
The law has given Moroccan women hope, even if nothing is likely to evolve without a fundamental cultural shift.